Today I took it with a MAIWO 40 gigabit per second enclosure. This guy has a very nice silver finish on it. Looks like we also got some venting cut out on the sides, on both sides. And we got a USB-C port on the back, and we can also see it says 40 gigabits per second. I also really like this big loop that they got on the top. So you can put a substantial strap through that. There's a little cutout right here, so we can stick our fingernail in there and pop that back. That is held in by a couple of spring detents. We can see this is PCI Express. This is designed for NVMe hard drives. And we got a little button spot right there. Comes with a nice thick strap with a carabiner on it. And that is Velcro. It comes with our cable, so this is USB-C to USB-C. A little patch that says accessories, and that is our buttons. Also got a thermal pad and our spacer. So I'll put the button on the drive, plug that in, and then press that in. For the thermal pad, it's important that you take off both sides, just so we make good contact. And then for the plate, I'll just lay that on. And for the cover, it just kind of angles in from the front, and then presses down. Okay, I picked that up right away, and it does play those files. So now let's do a speed test. Okay. Oh, it actually sounds like we got a fan on here. That's pretty cool. So they do make a model that doesn't have a fan, but it has an external fan that you can plop on here. This one has it already built in. That's pretty neat. But these are the exact speeds that I expect to see out of this drive. For sequential 1 megabyte, 8 process, 1 thread, we got 3311 on the read and 1915 on the write. For sequential 1 megabyte, 1 process, 1 thread, we got 2733 and 1114. For random 4K, 32 process, 1 thread, we got 412 and 92. And for random 4K, 1 process, 1 thread, worst case scenario, we got 69 and 16. So those are perfectly acceptable numbers for this hard drive. It is also worth mentioning that this laptop is using Thunderbolt 3. If you're using a port with Thunderbolt 4 or USB4, you could expect to see even better numbers than that. So yeah, that thing is great. The fact that it's a completely toolless design. I can pop this thing open and put a new hard drive in without having to grab a screwdriver, and even the cable that it came with is good for 40 gigabit. This is an excellent enclosure.